Imagine creating print-ready designs for your merchandise in just minutes, just like these. Let's see how it's done. Hi, I'm Asasi and welcome to my channel where I showcase the best AI tools for creators and entrepreneurs. Today we're diving into the Research Trending Pod Designs command for the Print on Demand Design Assistant. I'll show you how to find trending ideas and create designs that are ready to sell. Let's get started. So the last video I went over the quick create design conversation starter. Today we're going to go into the research trending pod designs. Go ahead and click it. And this command, it will search for trending designs that you can use for print on demand. And it's going to search for trends for platforms like Printify and Etsy. And it has collected a few. We have about, it's given us almost 10 different design ideas. So minimalist and clean design, vibrant colors and gradients, 3D elements and depth, niche specific designs, seasonal and holiday themes, humor. Okay. Since sticking with the holiday, the next holiday is Valentine's Day. So in our last video we did Valentine's Day, but we'll do some trending Valentine's Day themes to see what it gives us. So let's do some trending Valentine's Day designs. Let's search in the web. Okay, it looks like it searched Etsy. And okay, Highland Cloud illustrations, EXO, and heart. Oh, let me regenerate. Oh, boo. I like the first option it gave. Um, okay. Um, I'm going to ask it to search Etsy. And if we can go with this, I kind of like this one. Well, I'll go ahead and copy this. But I'm going to say search Etsy. Let's see for some trending Day designs. I hate I had to regenerate that with some good options. Okay, here we go. We're back at it. Okay, number one is coming up. Highland Cow, Retro, Croquette. Okay. Let's go with Croquette Valentine's Day designs. Let's do some, oops. And we'll do some minimalist. I think I did minimalist in the last video though, so we'll do something different. Okay, now it's giving me a little bit more ideas. Delicate bow, pastel love letters. Okay, it's giving us some great ideas. I'm not sure which one to choose. Let's go with number one, and then maybe we'll just go through them all. Okay, let's do one. Hopefully, it'll get it. All right, let's see what it designed for us. Oh, that one is pretty. This is how it looks in Canva. I have some mock-up t-shirts that I also made with this design tool. It creates, we'll go over that in another video, but it does t-shirt mock-ups with or without people, tote bags, as well as mugs. So we will pop this in and see how it looks. Okay. This one, it looks dark. You can't see the sweetheart. So I'm going to use, going to put in the white t-shirt. And I need to delete this. This was another design I was working on with berries. Okay, yeah, it shows up on the white t-shirt. Okay, and you can use this. It doesn't have to be a t-shirt. It could be a tote bag or mug or whatnot. But I'm just using t-shirt mock-ups to showcase this command. And you know what? I'm going to delete the ones I was working on earlier. So okay. All right, so let's go and create another one. I'm just gonna go down and do one of each. Let's go with, okay, let's try number 2, X. And that's pastel love letters. What is the artwork? I think I want to do that one in, you know what, that's fine. I was going to add an artwork. I'm just going to do exactly what it's suggesting to see what it comes up. Ooh, that one is nice. Now that one looks like it would be really cute for an invitation or a card. Okay, so that is nice. Not sure how that will look on a t-shirt, so I won't use that for Canva. Okay, let's go back up and do number 3. Okay, let's create number 3, which is a gilded heartlock vintage. And I'm gonna say make sure the background is dark white. Oops, you know what? Let me go ahead. We got 3, 4, and okay. We'll do 4 and 5 next. Oh, that one is nice. It cut it off just a little bit on this side. So I'm gonna ask it to do one more. Yeah, so let's do another one. So what was number 3? Yeah, it was a gilded heartlock. It wasn't supposed to be a croquette. And then it also then put that phrase in. So yeah, I would probably pop that in Canva, remove the wording, but let's go back up here and I want to make sure it's giving us the right one. So I'm going to do this, copy, and say, let's create this one. And make sure it states. Okay. So like I got confused and wanted to create some croquette. Yeah, that looks like it would be great for maybe stationery, invitation, or even a tote bag. And I probably should have said start white background so I could remove the background. So, okay, let's go with the next one, which I think is a warm wreath monogram. Make this one next. Okay, that one is cute. It cut it off a little bit on the side, so I'm going to ask it to redo it. But that one is nice. You could put that in Canva and edit the text. So let's say another one. Great. One more. Okay, that one is it's not what I asked for, but that one is not bad. It's really nice. I like that. You can remove the background and maybe add Happy Valentine's Day to it. Beautiful. That is really nice. So let's go and let's do the last one. Great. Number 5. Okay, yeah, let's see what this one does. Oh, that one is cute. And looks like the numbers are faded a little bit, but you could always take that in Canva and grab text and change that. That is pretty. I love that one. And let's say, actually, what is the generation ID and seed number for that last image? Right. I'm going to use the generation ID, make generation ID, and this time for African American couple. Make generation ID, and this time for okay. Give us some variety. Oh, that is cute. I really like that. That is pretty. If you like this demo, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite trending design idea. And if you're ready to try this powerful tool, check the link in the description. I'll also include a link where you can download these images that I created in this video. And plus, don't miss out on my free beta program to create and automate your own AI tools. You can find more details in the description below as well. And until next time.